Welcome to the Crystal Nest. Alright, so for Avalanche, yeah, I do have 3 waves up. I know some people they count it as a 5 wave. It doesn't really matter. Um, if I do the fib retracement, if I try to be the most accurate I can. So this was actually this is a wave 1. I could more likely, you know, scale down a little bit the counts here. So wave 1 here, wave 2, you can see that we did reach a nice level. Actually, kind of free up a little bit the chart. Okay, so wave 1, wave 2, no matter how you read it. Now, yeah, for sure, if you say that this was a 5-way up and you do count the spike, then we're going to have even a bigger or I want to say a strong, show the strength of the coin even more because it didn't go as low. But I honestly prefer the less bullish scenario. Okay, so 3-way up, and now we do have kind of 5 mini upside movement, and I call that a wave 1. Now the problem that I have is that now I did call this one a wave 2, and actually now, to be fair, let me match the count color, otherwise it's going to be a little bit hard. Okay, so you can see now that so 5-way up for the light blue count. Now I had an A, a B, and a C, and I did count this as a wave 2, but maybe I was mistaken, because if this is the 3rd wave in light blue, we should see a kind of I don't want to say impulsive movement, but something more that it looks like something more bullish, and this movement is still look corrective, and so I'm considering now actually this going to move it anyway. It doesn't really matter for the moment. I'm going to retouch the chart eventually. So as you can see, I did start to put this possible that this was just the A, and just double check if that does make sense. I'm going to take the the length of the A wave, which I didn't click, looks like, to the bottom. I'm going to take my settings for the B wave. Wow, that's a ugly one. Alright, so you can see that the B wave, it is into the range. It's a little bit deep, but still valid. Ideally, we want something between 0.5 and 0.786, but we do have high B waves, and even sometimes even overshooting B waves. And so if this is another scenario possible now that I'm looking, and since I am looking for lower prices for Bitcoin, it would make sense that Avalanche is going to make, unfortunately, another low. So let's see, if I take the length of the wave A and I add it to this, what I say, it could be a B wave. Try to be the most accurate I can. Actually, let me move it around a little bit. Okay, so we are talking, well, since we already reached those two levels, the 1-to-1 ratio of $14.825, and then we have the 0.786 at $13.33. So I honestly feel like taking off those two now, because we already previously reached into the A wave, and so yeah, these two now are pretty much the levels that I'm looking forward. 1482, 1483, or 1333. Let's go and check the RSI just to have an idea. Okay, so they were oversold, and now you can see that they're bouncing back, but I don't think me go on the 8 hour just to, yeah, so we are maintaining like the 50s levels, and you can see the stock RSI is also resetting. And once again, you know, those are just indicators, but what really counts is the price action, and it's not convincing, the price action. And I do believe we are going on into a direction where Avalanche is going to make a short-term lower trend if if we continue like this. So once again, this, I don't know why I put it there, but if we, I'm trying to check here. Well, let me put it here first of all, and I'm going to say that if price goes below 21.48, for sure we are going to go, I don't, well, shouldn't be saying for sure, but 1882.4 is the next level that price will be challenged, if you want, or a support level. And after that we do have this low here, which is going to be 17.48 to round it up. And you know, if we cannot hold that, then yes, 1-to-1 ratio 14.82.5 is going to be the next one, and the 0.786 after that. Alright, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And once again, if you have any questions, drop them down on the comments, and I will try to get back at you. Alright, bye.